Hello class, so we continue with question number 2. Okay, diagram 10 show two sectors with center O, given X and Y are midpoint of the line OP and OQ respectively. Okay, question asks you to calculate the area in centimeter square of the shaded region. Okay, area for the shaded region means for this part, for the given part. Okay, first you have to know what is the length of the radius. Okay, from O to Q is 10 centimeter given, and here will be 5 because given given the X is a midpoint. Okay, so here will be 5 centimeter and similar for P. So what you can do is you have to make sure you have to calculate the big sector and then minus a small sector. And if you want to find the shaded region, you have to find the big sector, area of the big sector, and then minus a small sector. So okay, area of shaded region. Okay, you have to use, remember the formula where we have to use 360. 110 divided by 360. Okay, we find the big area for the bigger sector means OPQ first. So we multiply by pi 22 over 7 pi out square, which is 10 square, and then we minus the small sector, which is same. They have the same angle. Okay, pi, but the radius is 5, 5 square. So you please press calculator and then you get your final answer for this. Okay, the final answer is 72.024. Okay, so we continue with questions B. Diagram 11 show the sector of POQ with center O, and ORQ is a straight line, and POR is an isosceles triangle. This one is an isosceles triangle, and given PR is 5. PR is 5 centimeter. It means here is also 5. Okay, so what you can do is, if you want to calculate then the length of arc PQ, we have to know what is the radius. So what you have to do is you have to find what is the length of OP. Okay, and you know here is 90 degree, right? So means that OP is the hypotenuse. Okay, so OP is equal to square root. We have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 5 square plus 5 square. Okay, so will be square root of 25 plus 25 square root of 50. Okay, that means the OP will be square root of 50. Okay, similar to OQ. And next, if you want to calculate the length of arc PQ, other than radius, one information you need is the angle at the center. Okay, since that this one is isosceles triangle and here already 90, so it means here will be 45 and here will be 45 degree. Okay, that means we got another information where the angle at the center is 45 degree. Okay, so next, okay, length of arc PQ, okay, will be equivalent to 45 degree divided by 360 multiplied by what? By the circumference, right? By using 2 pi r, because we calculate length of arc times 2 times pi times square root of 50, and because the radius is square root of 50. Okay, just do calculation for this, then you will get your answer 5.556 centimeter for the length of arc of PQ. Okay, let us continue with question C. In the diagram, it shows the time on the clock face. Given that the radius of the clock face is 7 centimeter, means the radius. So maybe you can mark here, or you can state the radius is 7 centimeter. Question number 1, the length in centimeter of the major arc at the time shown. Okay, major arc. What is mean by major arc means major means bigger. Okay, so we can divide into two when we follow the maybe hour hands and also the minutes hand. So here you can differentiate. This part is major. Okay, here will be minor. Okay, so since that the question asks you to calculate the major arc, means from here to the other side. Okay, first you have to fill in here is 240 degrees because he already taken 120. Yeah, so very easy. Okay, measure arc. Okay, you can use 240 degree over 360 times what formula behind is arc. So it's times 2 pi r, pi, and the r is 7. Okay, you can simplify before you do calculations, and after you calculate you get the answer 4.19 centimeter. Okay, 4.19 centimeter. Okay, next, calculate the area of the minor sector at the substance angle of 120 at the center of the circle. So that means question asks you to calculate the uh, um, area of the minor sector, means this part. Okay, means this part. So again, it's not very difficult. Area of minor sector. Okay, it is 120 divided by 360 times, because area we have to use pi times r square. Okay, pi r square, area of circle, and this one is a fraction. So we'll get answer 51.33 centimeter square. Okay, please make sure you know why is it we use 2 pi r for arcs and also pi r square for area, because pi r square is area, 2 pi r is circumference. Okay, so that's it for questions 2. Please continue with question 3 in the next video. Thank you.